Hi, I'm Jared Whitman with Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm here with Adam Howarth from Sierra Delta, and we're partnering up between October 31st and November 11th. Adam, can you talk a little bit about what Sierra Delta does and how you help veterans?
Yeah, Sierra Delta over the last 5 years has gone from a startup nonprofit to where today our real big focus is helping getting well-trained dogs out to veterans. And so a lot of times veterans come to us and they might want a medically assisted service dog. For those folks that really is the best choice, we help them get on that pathway and get on those waiting lists. For folks that maybe just need a regular dog like Etta here, we help them get access to different humane societies or places where they can get the dog, but we kick in and we provide the training. So we have over 200 partners across the country where we can get that provided training, get the dog trained up at the AKC standards to where you just have a really good dog you can take with you most of the time. And then you've got a well-trained pet around the house. Then follow-on care, we have a great alumni program. A lot of those agencies will give you the dog and then walk away. Where we have an app that you can put on your iPhone or any phone that you have, and then you can follow in the community and we can upload pictures, we can share and care with each other and really support each other. And the bonus for us is we incentivize wellness. We give different points back and ways to redeem those points. So when folks enter the community, they don't have to leave. We're with you the rest of the way. And so I think that's the big thing that Sierra Delta does differently, and one of the reasons I came on board with my dog before I even became an employee.
We surveyed our employees. They wanted us to work with more veterans organizations and organizations that do things with animals, and we picked Sierra Delta. So between October 31st and November 11th, which is Veterans Day, we're going to donate $10 for every tune-up that's done and scheduled to Sierra Delta.
Thanks you guys, and let's help us redefine the future for both veterans and dogs.